Welcome to part 3 of the BizSim tutorial video series. In the previous videos, we gave you an overview of the BizSim program and then dove deeper into the actual decision-making process. In this video, we will be highlighting the BizSim platform and the tools available to you. Let's get started. Log in at bizsim.org using the link that was provided to you by your administrator. You may have special instructions as to exactly how to get to your specific link. Select your program, industry, and team number as assigned by your administrator. Type in your password. This is where you will find all of the information you need for the simulation. You begin on your dashboard. There are a couple of things to highlight here. On the right is a sidebar that contains the most recent quarterly results. You can expand or shrink that as desired. Also, the program allows you to open the results in a new browser window, which could prove useful. Next, we will highlight a few tools at your disposal while entering your decisions. Note, there is a lot of helpful information provided on this page. There are expandable sections, as well as tooltips that you can hover over. Some of these are especially helpful when preparing your first few decisions. Also, they can help those of you who really want to go deep into the simulation to understand some of the more complicated details behind depreciation, profit versus cash, etc. The updates estimate in real time to give you an idea of how your decision might affect your company, if your estimates are accurate. Notice when you click inside an input on the left, the program will highlight the corresponding decision or results from the prior quarter. At any time, you can save your work. When you are ready, you can submit it. Submitting the decision will bring up a form that will allow you to compare this decision with your prior decision. This can help you to see if you've made any obvious mistakes, and it gives you a chance to correct them. After you submit your decision, you will get a confirmation that it was either updated or submitted. You have up until the end of the decision time to change your decision. If you realize that you made a mistake, you may change an item in your decision, review it again, and finalize the change. Finally, here are a few other items available in your portal. You may open multiple quarterly reports at the same time to compare them. Simply select your quarters and run the report. They will appear vertically, but if you want them horizontally, just open them in a new window. You can look at the upcoming decisions schedule and see when each decision is due. You can view or compare your prior decisions to each other. This could help you analyze what you did over time. You can analyze a specific quarter by looking at your prior decision worksheets. These will show you the estimates you put in when you last submitted that quarter's decision. Use it to compare what you expected to happen with what actually happened, and then try to figure why it happened. For example, compare expected ending cash with actual ending cash, and so on. You can view rankings. Administrators can use different metrics to evaluate teams. You can chart many different items, up to 2 at a time. Not all of these will be useful to you, but some may be essential components of your company's story. Then you have the financial reports. These will be useful if you will need to prepare a company performance report or presentation. Finally, you can submit your company name here. Once the administrator approves your name, it will be set. Your administrator may or may not allow you to change your name once one has been approved. That should do it. Good luck and enjoy BizSim.